Alright, just a quick video. It's all working now, at least as far as the rotaries work and the stepper motor are working. Just a quick overview. The 47 volts comes in here, and then it goes to there, and then it's converted to 5 volts and runs over to the ESP, and then the other 47 volts comes here into the stepper motor. And as you can see, as we zoom in, the buttons are spinning as I turn the knobs. They work. This one goes from 14 to 24, and this one goes from 1 to 6. You see it's bouncing a little. It doesn't bounce with the stepper motor off, but as you can see, the stepper motor is bouncing quite a bit. It's skipping steps. So what I need to do is somehow get this thing to not be so jittery.